Hi friends, this is Sajid Mughal from Learning Purpose. Today I am going to introduce a new access-based payroll management system in which you can cover each and everything relating payroll management, bonus system and other employees data, and you can manage each and everything related to a human resources management system. Let's go. First click on admin. Just put the password 1234 here in my case. Okay, this is the main form of this software. Now you can change the password. First go to user and permissions. Here user and group accounts. Now you can change the password over here, and you can give new passwords as well. Okay, next as you can change your business name over here. Click on this business name information here, update like ABC Food, and okay, close this dialog box. Click on refresh and here you can see the ABC Food. Okay, next we are going to add new employees from here. Employee record data, salary bonus. Employee record data, you will enter each and everything relating employees, and here you will enter salary records. Here salary bonus record, advances, department sections and designation. Here is the section of reporting: employees records, salary sheets, vouchers, salary advances reports, bonus sheets and absent records, salary slips and other required reports. You can see over here. Now we are going to first add a new department. Click on department. Here you can see the list of our old departments, all we have entered over here. Now click on new. You can write new name over here. Here you can add the new department or projects, and here you can add department sections like accounts, marketing, production. If you need a new department, you can write on new records over here. Okay, there is the same designation portion. And also you can add new section or designation as well. Okay, let's go to the employees records. Here I'm going to add a new employee like date of joining, just okay, and here you can see the auto serial number. You can just write the employee ID from over here with some prefix or suffix. You can use ABC like this, and here you will add the employee name like Sajid, like this. Here you will add an IC number and old ID if you have, you can write over here. Date of birth. Now here active, is this employee is active or not. Here you will write the mobile number, phone number, address, and here you can add the image. Like I'm adding a new image over here. Okay, you can see the image over here, and here you will select the department section, accounts, marketing, production, I'm writing designation. Here you will write basic salary, like I have added 50,000, and if you have any promotion you can write over here allowances, and here you can add the remarks. Now there is increment subform. Whenever you will make changes to this employees like increment, decrement, it will automatically update its salary, basic salary, and here it will show the history of this employee. Okay, now just next record. The record is added. Here you can close the form, and now I'm going to calculate salary. You have to write on salary records. I'm going to make salary for August. I will write over here and click on salary sheet. Now pick the employees, just write 3 ID. It will pick all the data relating to this employee, and you will have to mention department over here, and allow leaves, annual leaves, like allow leaves I'm going to 1, absence 2, late days. If you are on deduction, if you are making deductions on late days, you can write over here. There is another option, and overtime hours 5 hours, like this. Extra days, if you are getting some extra salary, you can write over here extra salary, extra days. Loan deduction, like I'm writing loan deduction 2000. Advance deduction for this this loan is for installment, and this is for the monthly advance 12,000. Here is the net salary 39,468. okay, just click on next record. Okay, I'm going to add other records over here. I have added some other records. Now we are going to see the salary related information. Here you have to write salary month last date, and if you will click on salary sheet, it will show you vouchers. If you click on preview salary, it will show you the complete sheet. Salary sheet, you can see over here ABC Food salary sheet for the month of August 2019. Main department is cake, and here is section wise reports, and total salary is 160,000, and other information is advance deduction, loan deduction, net salary. You can see over here overtime and everything other related to this report. Just print out this report, and now go to see salary sheets, employees record. If you want to check your employee record, you can check from here active employees, current paid employees, current unpaid employees. I'm going to check active employee list. You can see these are our active employees. And salary vouchers, if we want to print the salary vouchers, salary month 31st of August 2019, and salary department is cake. You can print a specific employee as well. I'm going to leave it blank and click on preview. If you click on preview, you can see over here ABC Food salary voucher, salary slip for employee, and this is the voucher. You can print it and just detached and for your record. Okay, here you can see the salary advance report, salary bonus sheets. If you want to see this, salary bonus voucher, salary working sheet, absent record. You can see the absent records from here. Absent report, salary slips, employee status report, last increment report, etc. You can see each and everything from here. Hope you will enjoy this software. Thanks for watching.